Hey family, how y'all doing? So today I got me some smoked oysters. Look at there. I got me a 12 piece. You heard me? When they dripped out the bag, we're gonna wait. But I'm gonna just eat these. So I'm just about to send my grace and dig in. Amen. Got me some lemons. And I got it from Volcano Crabs. Let's get inside. Let's go ahead and dig in. Dig in. Ooh. Oh, this about to be good. Steamed oysters. Oh, look at that. Oh. I'm telling you, I've been fiending for, hold on. Oh. Mm. 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 I mean, I might need a real fork, cause this plastic fork right here ain't gonna do it. Yeah, let me give me a real fork. All right, family. Mm. 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 Yes. Oh, Lord, no. That's why I ordered 12, cause mm. Mom, you want to taste one? You want to taste one? Huh? These ain't mussels. Oysters. You ain't never taste them. It's better. Baby. I got it. On to the next one. Let's put it in the dressing. this drizzle all this on here. Put some lemons on it. Lemon juice. I should have got me 20 on. Damn it, this ain't do nothing but tease me. Real talk. Ain't nothing but tease me. Woo. But I'm all done, family. I told them steamed oysters up. I will see y'all in the next video. I love y'all.